Hey yo, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Please, guys, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, please, man. Don't just watch and do not subscribe and share the video, guys. I've been analyzing this game now because to me, it's like we are in top 5 already. I don't know why I feel like that. I know the housemate, how many of them now? 18, right? 18, 19, somewhere there. To me it's like we are in top 5 already, but now I'm a bit stressed about Mr. Exactly. That's the thing, Joe. Dingenapi, Joe. Where do I enter? It stresses me because if I want to see himself alone, like, because it's giving me the vibe of Wanda. Yeah, Wanda. He's giving me that vibe, and he's going nowhere. He's going nowhere. This guy is gonna be on top 5. Believe me, I don't know, but I just feel like that, and it stresses me because we know that King Wanda will go anytime. He will go before Bravo. I don't know, you get my point. He will go before Bravo. But now, if Mr. Exactly will be in the house and Tumi the Baba will be still in the house, to me it seems like these guys, they're going to gang up on Bravo B. You get what I'm saying? Because I want to see Mr. Exactly alone, like standing a fight by himself, start a fight by himself and stand for that fight by himself, because always interfering to other people, issues, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that's what I'm analyzing right now. And then I see that King Wanda, people starting loving him. I told you guys about King Wanda the day he said this one must leave. This one is leaving tomorrow, when he was like, what, tomorrow, who's this guy? Offense, he's leaving tomorrow. Everyone was like, this guy is mad, man. And on Sunday, boom, offense left. We were like, what? King Wanda was, So now I'm kind of like understanding the game and the person that we are watching, the person that we call King Wanda, I don't know how he sees things, but he sees things from the distance. And if King Wanda survive today, which is Sunday, which means, and then tomorrow is going to be Monday, then Tumi the Papa, if he get nominated, there is the possibility that Tumi the Papa might leave the house the following Sunday, because I don't think people appreciate or like this sort of relationship of Tumi the Papa and Buhle. I see people, they kind of like protecting Buhle from Tumi the Papa, and which makes sense. You can't. The first time when they had that argument, do you remember that argument where everyone was interfering to their relationship the first week? I think that was the true color of Tumi, because even King Wanda yesterday said, you're just using your 6-pack, you said something negative about Buhle B, and now to me it seemed like Buhle B is not more beautiful in his eyes. It's just that he's there because of his heart, which means he should say, no, I'm not here for her heart. I'm here because of she's smart, she played the game nicely, and she educated. I'm not saying educated, but you know what I'm saying, because to me the Baba, it seems like it's just a guy from Mpumalanga who cut people's hairs, hustling, speaking the English, the hip hop, So yeah, man, I'm just analyzing this thing. I don't know, but I just wish that maybe the Baba leave first, because Mr. Exactly is not going anywhere. But if King Wanda leave, and then Mr. Exactly would be left behind, and Tumi the Baba behind, clearly these people, they're going to gang up on Bravo B. Remember, Ashay is just there, listening and kind of like solving fight and all that, but It's not gonna be like taking as like standing with Bravo B fighting a fight, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, I wish all the best, but yeah man, I'm looking forward. I'm so now it's kind of like interesting this, you know, because this thing started by on Thursday after party, and then Tumi says I had a dream about King Wanda. Why he was busy saying the dream, and then who's this Buhle B was like, whoa, sorry to interrupt, I also had a dream last night. What a coincidence, you know? And then now a dream about King Wanda. I think King Wanda, it was like the King Wanda want Buhle, and Buhle saw the dream. I think also the dream was talking about King Wanda dating Buhle or something like that. And then yesterday when they were fighting, King Wanda is just there to observe and say as it is, you know. So yeah man, I'm looking forward to this, but I just wish King Wanda, he doesn't go home today. It's Sunday, he must not go home. I hope everyone voted, because we want this man. People, they must come out. Someone who's gonna take these people out, you know. If you gossip, I tell everyone, yeah, you said 1, 2, 3, you know. So yeah man,